Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm host Martin, and this is episode 453, technical analysis for crypto. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. So there's a link to our Twitter in case you want to engage with us there. On that note, let's go check out what is happening with the market, right? What is happening with crypto today? So, crypto, right? Yesterday we got a movement down, which was very, very sharp. When I woke up in the morning, I was like, oh man, we're in deep trouble, man. It looks like we might just break down from here. Obviously, we didn't, right? We pulled back up a lot, particularly on market cap. You just managed to lose 10.88 billion, right? Not a lot, 1.24% to downside right now. It's already gaining 1.68%, so gaining 14.49 billion, getting more than we lost yesterday, which is really good. Now, we don't have anything bearish in market cap in the short term. We are going to start creating some strong bearish divergence, right? And that's easy to see. We're definitely coming up slightly higher. Now, everything, like the lines are in orange right now because I was charting when I was off the air, right? And that's how we track what we do on the air versus off the air. So anyways, there's that bearish divergence. You know, this is starting to develop, right? I mean, this could still go on pumping, get higher here on the RSI, and make more positive momentum, and it'll be fine. Right now we have it again. I'm just acknowledging it because it's there. I'm not saying it's going to play out right now. There's a chance it could play out. So on that note, let's go check out Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin dominance at 68.88. Bitcoin lost a lot of dominance yesterday, and we saw that because it really dropped in price, right? So losing 2.07% of market cap. Today losing 0.02, right? So 2.07 yesterday, today 0.02, which is fine. Little Ed, what do you think Ethereum does? I'm not sure we're going to get there whenever we get to Ethereum, bro. But after Bitcoin, for sure. Bitcoin dominance at 30,775. Is that good? Yeah, I mean, we did move down, close a gap with a large wick, right? So this gap is closed, is gone, no longer there. That's fine. Again, we're pushing back up, and that's great, man. Right? We're trying to recover. We still managed to end on a positive note. Making sure we're going to get Ethereum to the moon. Hopefully. We'll check out Ethereum in a second. Where's Bitcoin at? The price of Bitcoin at $32,000. $32,558.58. Again, large wick, right? Got very, very worried when we were dropping, and we were dropping really fast. But, you know, probably a lot of longs got liquidated. So really just crashed down. Lol, sick name. Yeah. This is a sick name. Anyways, probably a lot of longs got liquidated. We pulled back up. That's fine. You know, not super happy with where Bitcoin's at right now, but it's fine, right? I mean, we're making a new all-time high now. We now have areas of resistance up here. Let's keep on checking it out, right? So high, higher, possible, positive, high, and set to a higher point. There's really nothing bearish on the daily. Just overbought at 80.82, and we could still try to pump again. Let's go to the 4-hour Bitcoin. We had this bearish divergence. Talked about that on January the 2nd. And we're just moving down on that. That's fine. We created hidden bullish against the MACD, right? And I do believe we also had it against the RSI. Again, I was charting off the air. That's why these things are in orange. I'll just change them back to yellow, and that way we know we already talked about this, right? That would have ranked it there. So hidden bullish is getting us to play to the upside, right? That's fine. Negative momentum, we're starting to build it. We're slowly killing it off on the 4-hour chart. We still drop slightly on negative momentum and then start building it again, right? That would just, like we did here, right? Like the loop dropped off and started building again. That would just give us some consolidation happening at this level, the 33,000, 31,000 to 33,000 area. And that's what I'm looking for right now, right? Consolidation to happen. I talked about that the other day. Maybe we're going to start consolidating this area. That's what we're doing. I don't like it because this was my get out of Dodge area, right? Like the drop and get out of Bitcoin. I've not triggered it, mainly because we created this hidden bullish and, you know, we started to go up slightly and that was fine. Also, we have this blue support line here, right? Guess what we did? Support, support, support. We wick support and we're pumping up on hidden bullish, right? We also had support at 31,432. So on that note, I haven't exited Bitcoin yet. I'm still waiting to see how this bounce is going to affect us and how high we're going to bounce. We're neutral on the RSI at 57.35, which is really good. All right, back to neutral. We keep going another pump, which would be very nice. Now, Bitcoin on the 1 hour. We had this hidden bullish, right, for potential action to the upside. We did move up, hit the 20, and rejected. Now, this large drop was at 4 in the morning. I was fast asleep by then, and I was even fast asleep through this whole time. So I saw Bitcoin moving down around 1 in the morning. By then, I was, you know, passing out. When I woke up, dude, I seen this. I was like, oh, damn, dude, you know. And I saw it here rejecting prior to hitting the 20, and I was like, oh, dude, if we really don't get a bounce at support, this could really go bye-bye, right? And then go again to 28,000. So I was worried about this when I woke up, right, in the morning, 9 in the morning, seeing that we started to move down again. I was like, man, really tempted to sell here, because if we drop below this area, we're definitely going to, you know, lose it. We had the hidden bullish. I was glad. I'll tell you why in a second. I was glad that we started to pump a little bit. And I was worried that, you know, we were going to make a consolidation pattern, which we did make, right? We'd made a small triangle. Where does that triangle look? High, low, low, right? And then low, slightly higher and higher, right? So I was looking at something like this. I was like, oh, dude, even this, right, it's slightly lower than here. So I was looking at this, and I was like, ah, look, if we're going to get across the MACD, I was hunting for this cross all the way from here, right? So from like 1 p.m., right, I was like, we're going to get this cross the MACD over the RSI. This could be really bullish if the MACD line gets above the 0 line. Right, look at this. Last time we did that and had a cross below the 0 line, it was way back here on the 29th. And look at the nice rally we had, right? Now, just getting a cross does not mean we're going to go to the moon, but it does give us that, you know, positive momentum and potential for action to the upside. And I was worried about this move, right? Whether or not we're going to break it to the downside of a triangle. I was like, oh, dude, we pulls down, you know, starting to flag, might break down again. This hidden bullish might not kick in, and it'll probably break us down farther. I'm glad that it held. Right? That's all I can say, because I was already ready to probably drop my bags of Bitcoin in case it moved below, again, 30,000 area, which of course it didn't, right? It started to recover, It was like higher high, higher high. Again, every time that we were going from a high to a low, we're still going higher, right? And we had the hidden bullish, which again gives us continuation, right? So long as we don't drop below this area, it's fair game for us to really pump again. So, you know, it wasn't a wild move, but it's a good percentage-wise move. Here it's around a 5% move, which is okay for Bitcoin, right? And right now it's starting to pump up again, so I'm happy for it. Little ad saying, woke up, so everything swung hard. Yeah, a lot of things swung really hard, man. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like that bell and that sub, right? Also, if you got any requests, let me know and I'll write them down. I'm probably not going to take a lot of requests tonight. Yesterday I took up a lot of requests. Tonight it's probably going to be nice and easy. I'm super tired. Yesterday the kids slept fine. But the dog woke up at 4 in the morning and started, like, scratching at the bed. And then I had to take her out because she wanted to, poop. So the dog kind of broke my sleep schedule, and I didn't end up having a good night's sleep also yesterday, which is a pain in the butt, really. Anyways, I was hunting for this cross. That's why that arrow was there. I was waiting for this to cross and see how we're gonna take off. As soon as I saw this candle really moving up above the 20, at first I was concerned we're gonna reject the 20, but as soon as I saw it cross the 20 and just kept on going higher, I was like, dude, thank God. We're probably looking for a reversal to happen. We could be taking a breather. There's really nothing bearish, right? High, low, positive is positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Everything's good. Neutral 53.51. We don't have anything else that's bearish right now. And on that account, we could still run. The only thing we have bearish is way back here, and is this strong bearish divergence. Again, the overall trend for Bitcoin is super bullish. We could be really looking for this to pump up again, right? And continue to the upside. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum at $1,000 and $1,081, dude. Where is it at in the daily? Well, yesterday rejected 153, right? We knew it was a resistance up here. Today it looks like we're going to climb up there again. We already hit a higher point, around 1,137. We're pulling back a little bit, but it's still fine. We don't have anything bearish happening here. Now I'm not sure why this is here. Is it from a different time scale? It might be from the 30-minute chart, maybe. I doubt it though. So I'll just delete this. Makes no sense where it's at. Thought I had deleted this yesterday. Maybe, I'm not sure. Anyways, higher, more positive, higher in there. So everything's fine. Overbought at 85.71. And like I said yesterday, the only thing I have against Ethereum is that it's highly overbought. That's it. On that note, let's go check out the 4-hour chart. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to higher point. Everything's good here. Now on the short term, right? Until right now on the 4-hour. High, higher. I'll just anchor this in the 4-hour. Where this in the daily? There we go, man. High, low, and then also high, low, right? So strong bearish divergence starting to build. Potential for action to the downside. We could be looking for sort of a reversal to happen. Although, it could still go and pump and get probably to 1,153 again. Still have that bearish divergence and then maybe move down. I would love to anchor this from a strong green bar to another strong green bar. That would be really good. Anyways, overbought at 79.64 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Where are we at on the 1-hour chart, right? We had this hidden bullish again, just like Bitcoin printed it. We're also printing it here. And that just gives me a little bit more of room to breathe on Ethereum, I guess. I was also worried about a position that I have in Ethereum that I was wondering whether or not I should close it. I mean, it's getting nice enough profit. It's more than doubled, so it's really good. But, it's almost tripled in my position in Bitcoin, so I should really consider just closing it and taking profits, right? What we ended up doing here, let's see, 9.11, right on. So this, first of all, would shift to back here and go to there. This again will also shift from back here to here. And it feels like I already did this yesterday, but I know I haven't, so. And that goes from there, and then it just goes from back here, right? So we still have this bearish divergence, strong for action to the downside. When it's down below that 981, again, briefly moving lower, and then starting to recover. Benny, how's it going, dude? Nav, what's up? TLGT pump hard after 5 years of losses. That's pretty good. I'll check out TLGT. Oh, enjoying the green FM candles? Yeah, dude, I'm enjoying the candles. They're good. Little lad saying he should probably take profit. Anyways, but there's a but, and we need to see what the but is. So what are we doing here? Let's see, what was this closing here? 1,110, 1,115, so we're definitely coming up higher, right? This is on the 1 hour only. Did I forget to anchor this properly? No, it's on the 1 hour, that's fine. All right. We go from high or positive to less positive, right? And high on the RSI to lower point. We do have strong bearish divergence. It's going to take a while for this to undo this strong bearish divergence, right? It really needs to take a pump and really go higher. And this positive momentum island is turning out to be short-lived. So where can we go on a move down? Well, 20 would be the primary target that we have at $1,028. And if we lose that, we're looking at again at 891. I was really hoping that Ethereum was going to take a run and manage. Once we were here yesterday, right? I was really hoping that it was going to keep on pushing up higher. But I guess it's taking a breather again. It's consolidating at this level. If you look at this, it's just consolidation. Most of the moves are contained within this range so far. So on that note, it's good. So on that note, that's it for Ethereum. I'm going to go check out XRP. XRP at 23.33 cents. Again, a lot of people selling hope on XRP, right? Again, it did pump slightly. It did get to 26 and change. Pulling back down today, opening going red again on the same range that we were at, right? At 24.62 cents to 22.60 cents right now at 23.33 cents. XRP, again, nothing happening here, right? Low, high, negative, low on the other side, higher points. Sold at 34.40. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. We didn't have anything bullish. Right now we don't have anything bearish, right? High, low, positive, high on the other side. Oh, we do have some hidden bearish. Wow. My surprise when I see this. Look at this. We do have this bearish divergence for potential moving down happening here. Yo, Benny, how's your TLGT coming along, bro? Anyways, starting to move down, right? Neutral at 50.22. So I'm not super excited for XRP. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, the higher point on their side. Neutral at, where are we at? 49.75. So again, not a lot happening for XRP. Still rejecting 2388. Let's see how this keeps on going. Nav saying, completely unrelated to crypto. You into Spawn comic at all? You know what I mean? Copy number 1. Yeah, I like Spawn, but I'm not a huge fan. So that's pretty sweet that you got a first copy. Yeah, Todd McFarlane makes really, really good Spawn, right? Neutral 50.29. Again, not a lot happening for XRP. Let's go check out Litecoin, dude. Litecoin, $152.83. Again, getting that pullback happening. This bearish divergence still went on developing, and that's fine. We still have it from here, and we can still anchor from way back here, and it still works as one line, right? So we have that bearish divergence. We kind of lost it against RSI, and that's fine. I'll just remove it from here. And then we move down, and just like Bitcoin, we're printing this hidden bullish. And unlike Ethereum, right, this hidden bullish and then the strong bullish divergence for that potential action to the upside. And I've seen this earlier today, and I was like, yeah, a lot of cryptos doing this. We're very likely going to get a pump happening, right? So that's why you see this lines on a couple of projects. I only did this for the main projects, I think. So I was hunting today and looking at whether or not it should be really getting out of Dodge. Crypto BMF on Twitter and StockWits. There's lots of positive feedback on TLGT. Many people saying targets could hit at 165 to 550 to 20. That's pretty interesting. We'll check it out in a little bit. High, low, positive, high on there. So at the lower point, neutral at 47.80. So on that note, we just have this strong bullish, which is pumping us to the upside. We're taking a breather, going back to the 20. Again, not pumping as hard as Bitcoin. This is actually starting to undo some of the gains that it already made. Let's keep an eye out for Litecoin and see how it's going to behave. Binance. On the daily. We came higher, then we were made more positive. And here we had that divergence, it moved us down, that's fine. Then here we just had divergence to here, it moved us down. Right now we're going higher, we don't have anything else afterwards, right? Maybe here we do have something, 663, 64, right? So from here to here we do have something. Right, from there to there and from here to here. Don't have it against RSI, we're going slightly higher, but just against the MACD, some strong bearish divergence. We did that wild swing. Got to a new all-time high for Binance at $46.50, which is really interesting. And then we just got a lot of pullback, right? Right now, moving down 1.98%. Again, not a lot happening besides that bearish divergence. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, higher, positive. This positive high there, so to a lower point, right? Strong bearish divergence, action downside, move down, hit that 20, trying to take a bounce. But really not going up much higher. So again, that bearish divergence could still continue. Last thing we had also was this bullish divergence here, hidden. which help us get this pump, but don't have anything else happening yet. Neutral 57.72. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, right, we had the bearish divergence to here. We just, kept on tracking that we were fine from here to here, from here to here, and then 74, 74.1, 74.20. From here to here, we would also have gotten that, right? So strong bearish divergence against the RSI as well. So what are we doing now, right? Higher. And again, the same hidden bullish divergence a lot of projects have. So that's why you see this line. So I was charting on today and like just making sure we're really not gonna get in trouble, particularly with Bitcoin, right? So again, everything's good so far. Moving down slightly, right? High, low, positive, less positive, high, and there's a lower point. Everything's good, nothing bearish. We could be taking a breather maybe to that 20, right? Which seems to be holding at support. That's why being at 40.07. We could be trying to go for a bounce from there. Neutral at 50.72 on the RSI. Let's go check out TLGT real quick for Benny. TLGT, man. I'll hide the extended market, see what we're doing here. Low, higher low, negative less, negative low, and there's at the higher point, so nothing really bullish here. High, low, positive, positive, low, high, right. There's some hidden bearish that developed here on TLGT, right? So that's why we're moving down on TLGT right now. Right, looks like we're finding some kind of support around this level. 0.68 cents, and it could be a chance that it could. It's up on the extended market. Yeah, I'll check it on the extended market, right? I can't see the extended market for right now, though. But, obviously this pulled back down much more, right? And this is no longer there, so, we kind of lost that. I'll do analysis with the extended market then, I guess. So low, lower, negative, less negative. Low on there, so higher. Alright, that works. So from here to here, right, would be the same as going from here to here, and then from here to here. So there's that strong bullish divergence or potential action to the upside. We're starting to get this move to the upside here on TLGT, right, which is fine. Again, got above the 20, trying to hold support there. 0.73 cents, man. Not bad, right? Not bad for a day of trading. You would have gotten 9% of your investment there on TLGT. So we do ADA, man. Oh, I'm not liking that, dude. I'm not liking what it did here. Let's go to the daily. Why was the 1 hour clear? That's weird. I haven't deleted anything here on the 1 hour. It's not showing any data. The 4 hours also. There we go. And the 1 hour is clear for some reason. That's awkward. Anyways, we had this. We were hunting for this bullish divergence, right? Which we didn't get. Why is it? Dude, like everything I did for Cardano is no longer here. That's awkward. What the hell? It's very weird, man. Oh, this is because against Bitcoin, that's why. Ha, here we go. This is what we were looking at yesterday. Ha. Took me a while to figure out why there was no data on that chart. On the daily, right, we had this bearish divergence, which we got a resistance, right? We actually talked about that. And we're rejecting a bearish divergence right now, moving down, starting moving below that area. We did hit a high of 24 cents yesterday. Right now, sitting at 21.64 cents. Bearish divergence against the RSI, nothing against the MACD. Neutral. Oh, sorry, do we have it here? Yeah, no, it didn't call because we had this island, right? So bought at 67.63 on our side. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, Cardano managed to break out of this channel, went higher. Everything was looking good, right? Higher, possible, more positive. Now, short term, what happened here? Look at this. Boom, boom, right? Out of resistance. Let's get this on the 4-hour chart. There we go. And then high to low as well. And positive is positive, and high to low on the other side, right? So there's that strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to downside. Sort of move down slightly. Bought at 65.10 again and moving down. Very likely to get us to the 20 at 19.50. That'll be primary target right now. And it kind of sucks that we weren't unable to get above this area. It would have been very nice. From here to here, it was a clear shot. So would we have that bullishness, right? We could have just kept on pumping and getting up to this level really quick. So it kind of sucks that we were unable to. We got rejected on divergence. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Talked about this happening, right? Yesterday we said, look, we could still get up here and still have divergence and then maybe break down. So but we didn't. We actually went slightly higher. Well, that's weird, man. Maybe the half-hour has some divergence, right? I'm gonna have to go check it there real quick. Right on. See, here's the divergence that I was looking for. It's like, that's weird that we broke down without divergence in the 1 hour, but it helps from the half-hour. Higher positive was positive. High on the other side to a lower point, right? Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. That's why we moved down slightly. So back to 1 hour chart, right? That was a move here. Now, what are we doing? Alright, so this also I charted off the air. We had some hidden bullish. I was looking for that pump, which did come. I did put it on the Discord. Steve asked me to explain something. I didn't because I was busy. So I only charted while I had a small second, and then I know Steve is into this. I just wanted to point out that we're going to get a pump. So sorry, Steve, if you didn't catch that or you didn't get it. I was unable to really write more. Benny said something here about TLGT. Just give me one quick second, Benny. Type TYLG on Google, and it's up 0.74. That's pretty good. It's a pretty good pump, dude. If it's really gapping up on the opening before tomorrow, it could really perform really well. High, low, positive, positive, high, there's at the lower point. On the 1 hour Cardano, we don't have anything bearish right now. Right, so on that note, we're moving down on rejection of the 22.54. You're here for the rest of the night? That's pretty cool, man. Thanks for joining me, Benny. And we're still above that 20, right? So neutral at 53.76. That's for Cardano. Let's go check out. There's no other requests. I'm gonna do DVT and RSR real quick. While you guys come up with a request. Thank you all for watching and tuning in. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub, right? Right on. So that's it for Cardano right now. Let's go check out DVT, right? Play something else while Spotify ads were coming in. Let's go. Right, so let's get some indicators out here. I'm positive that we're going to have some kind of divergence happening. High, higher, positive, and positive, right? High, higher, positive to negative. See, we create some bearish divergence here. strong bearish divergence or potential action to the downside. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. And with that, we're getting this movement down. Again, sitting at 2 sats, which is not bad considering the current price of Bitcoin. Again, since this is paired against Bitcoin, it's held its value. I believe this was from yesterday. Yeah, 640, right? So it still has. I'm still doing really good with this. So, hey Andrew, how's it going, dude? Just got home. That's fine, bro. How's Bitcoin looking? I'll go back to Bitcoin in a second. Let me finish DBT. Right. So let's go to the 4-hour. Right. Hello. Also more positive. Also more positive. Higher. That's fine. Nothing bearish here. We could say that we're making medium bullish. Doubt it though. It's really weird because we don't have any data here. No, we don't. Let's go to the daily chart because we don't have anything on the 4-hour. So the 4-hour, man. Right, high to low, low to high. Right, there was that bearish divergence that's hidden. That's kind of putting that pressure to the downside. And we already moved down slightly, and now we want to recover. We don't have a lot bullish, low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there's the higher point. So that's it. Neutral at 50.60 on the RSI, and again, waiting for this to like really just take off. On that note, let's go back here to Bitcoin and check it out again for our buddy Andrew at $30,068, dude. I'm not liking the fact that it's starting to go down again. Oh, dude, I'm not liking this. I'll tell you in a second. Right, so on the daily, on the 4-hour, on the daily, an insane pullback happening. Probably a lot of longs getting closed. And then we'll pull back up, right? Today we're still doing positive 0.03, but not by a lot. So I'm really waiting for this to really take off. We don't have anything bearish, right? We kind of killed everything that was bearish. We're just hitting resistance here at 33,090, or 33,090 to 33,209. That'll be the target, right? So we did pump up. We're starting to push back down. I don't like that. Overbought at 79.96. And on the 4-hour, right, we have this bearish divergence moving us down. We did create this hidden bullish that is getting us to rally. We got above the 20, but it looks like we're really losing some of that strength. So high, low, positive, high, and there's at the lower point, right? The only thing we have is a hidden bullish right now. And the fact that we're still holding support to this blue line that's running back here, right, in diagonal. This one here. Which I hope can keep us carrying us up to the upside, right? And TM Skywalker, check out Loopring Mooning. Sure, man, we'll check out Loopring. There we go. Andrew, I think you mean 31,800 because 21,800 is a long way down, dude. Anyways, bearish divergence moving down again. Let's do the 4-hour, right? Hidden bullish trying to pump us up. Right now, starting to go negative. See, I don't like that. We're still here divided on the MACD. Still under signal line. Really don't seem like it wants to turn it and touch again or bounce again. So I'm worried about that right now happening, right? Last time we consolidated was back here. We did sort of that same move. We just kept on dropping, right? And then we just like really crossed and pumped. So I'm waiting to see if that's going to happen here in the 4-hour. It already happened on the 1-hour chart, but it's not showing up a lot of strength. And we're not getting above the 0 line, right? That's something I told you earlier. For the blue line to get above this area, but this movement down, look, it's starting to push this again, hooking it in, right? So we might get that. This is a short-lived pump, and then we get that other cross, and we're below the 0 line. We could be in for another drop, so I'm gonna be really following Bitcoin closely the next couple of hours as I'm offline, just to make sure I don't wake up to like a red day and see Bitcoin around 28,000. Or even 26,000, which would be really, really bad. I do believe we're going to have support at this level, which is manufacturer's home. When we're stepping around this area, it's not going to be very strong, but it could be some support definitely here. This looks like a good median to place it at. Alt H. There we go. Right. So look at resistance, resistance, support, and then support, resistance, support, and then this could be a target we're looking at 29. Yo, Steve, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. And again, really not liking the way Bitcoin's moving. I was really excited for this cross. I was hunting it throughout the day. I was looking for it. Here we kind of crossed. Here we kind of crossed. You know, it was really, really just struggling to get it. And we finally got it, and it's pumping. But look at this. We are starting to undo that. So high, low, positive, positive, high, and there's at lower point. I'm not really liking this. Neutral 47.50. Looks like it still wants to move down, though, right? Again, not super excited. Let's see if we can manage to hold support at the 20. I did have another Bitcoin chart open over here. It's actually RSR, but you know, I'll switch it to Bitcoin in a second. I want to see where it's Bitcoin at in regards to the moving averages, right? That's so according to this thing, the strategy, Bitcoin sent the sell signal yesterday or today at 3 in the morning. It said sell or it's gonna drop, and you know it did drop, but right now it's still on the sold, which you know you could get false reads, right? Like it did here. Look, it sent the sell signal, then tells you to buy back here, so you would have sold down here and bought back higher, which isn't good. But you know, if the market started to stagnate and move sideways like it did here, right? Look, we got the sell, buy, right, and just moving flat. That doesn't work with this strategy, so that's something I'm looking for right now. See if we actually manage to pump. But I'm looking at where Bitcoin is in regard to the 20. Look, the 20 crossed the 50, right, creating a death cross, and move lower on that. So now we try to pump, but we did manage to cross this over again. And I'm worried that if the 20 crosses the 100, right, it could also start bringing the 50 down, right, over the 100. And thus could be that crosses. That means that Bitcoin is very likely going to start going down in price. Now, this is a 1 hour chart. Last time we had something like that happen, right, crossing like that, we probably got one here that it just barely touched and then pumped, right? That's fine. Last time we had a death cross. When was it, dude? I'm like probably way back here on December the 23rd, right, at like 23,000, right? Look at that. We got that death cross, moved down slightly. Right, then it just kept on pumping and undid that. But not really liking how Bitcoin is doing right now. It's taking a bounce at the 20 simple moving average, and it's failing to stay above the 50 simple moving average that's up here. Also, we got a dead cross here, right? You know, it's not being the best for Bitcoin right now. Just getting awesome, Steve. Thanks for joining me. We're about to get a cross here, right? Which, again, usually you want to see this go all the way up to here, to the overextended area. Maybe 2 would be a good area for it to start returning it, or you know, something like that. But it looks like we just want to cross here, and we could get a sort of like a crossing down, right, before we actually get all the way up here. Like we did here, we kind of cross right there. Sometimes we do get crosses here and then just drop down, right? So, not really liking the way this is looking on Fisher or on Super Trend, but again, still above certain moving averages, which is good. Bitcoin is really amazing. Yeah, dude, it's really doing good. But you know, everything comes to an end, and I'm starting to worry that right now I'm just hoping it's consolidation. You know, that this negative momentum and everything that's happening is going to be short-lived. But I'm really starting to be worried about Bitcoin. Look, it did drop a lot. It did recover, right? But you know, it's let's see if this area holds support again, right? I'm looking for support at 31,432. We'll know throughout the stream if it gets triggered. Again, Ethereum at 1,016, right? It didn't perform as bad as Bitcoin. It did drop, but you know, most of the day it's been above the $1,000 mark, which is good for Ethereum. I was gonna do RSR, right, before I jumped onto that. So RSR, what's happening with RSR, right? Let's go daily. RSR starting to move below my entry level, which I don't like because I got plenty of opportunities to exit up here. Taking like about an 8% or 9% pump. It was pumping 9% right at some point in time when I was looking at it in the day. Starting to push back down, just like with following Bitcoin a little bit. But I'm hoping, again, impulse up. We're starting to flag. We could be looking for some continuation to happen, which would be nice. Overbought still at 70. Right now, it's just overbought at 70. And that's it, right? Not a lot happening here. Higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. So let's go to the 4 hour. Had that bearish divergence against the RSI, starting to move down on that, right? Now, we are creating now hidden bullish, which we didn't have earlier on today, which is very nice. And I guess we have some negative around here. The last time we had negative here. Well, even if it's back here, we're still making that hidden bullish, right? We don't have it against the RSI, just neutral at 54.86. And again, probably potential for that bounce to come in. Well, let's go to the 1 hour RSR. Again, right, hidden bullish that the rest of crypto created. Bitcoin dropping below target. Right. Anyways, finding that hidden bullish, taking that nice pop. Look here, I was like, I could have exited here, right throughout the day. I was looking at this. Even here would have been nice a couple hours ago, right before Bitcoin started dropping. Look, it's bringing RSR down with it. Now, high, low, possible is positive. High and RSR lower point. Really not a lot happening here. Just neutral, 46.02. Right, let's go back to Bitcoin and see what it's doing, dude. 31,300. Still moving down, down, and down. One quick second, guys. Sorry about that. Daughter came running in. Well, a gremlin, dude. It was my daughter. She just came in running. She was like, she wanted me to go and tuck her in, but the wife's gonna take care of that. She hasn't gone to sleep, dude. She's been running around the house like crazy, and she hasn't had anything to eat, man. That's weird. Look, we just got another cross down, dude. It's really looking like it wants to push back down. I don't like that. Really not liking this. What could happen? We could come down here slightly, right? To 30K, right? Go low, lower, negative, less, negative, low on there, so to a higher point. Have some strong bullish, try to pump again. Kidsman, I know. Andrew says he's going live now, too. Awesome, Andrew. And he says, good long entry. Yeah. They run on parents' exhaustion. I know, dude. It's weird. Not super bullish for Bitcoin right now. But again, it's fine, right? We're consolidating this range, the 30K to 33K, I guess we could say, right? Most of the moves are within this spot. And again, Bitcoin has never been at this level before. We don't know where this is really going to end, or whether or not it can keep on pumping. I do believe we could keep on pumping. But right now, that's what it's looking like the end might be. Let's go check out Loopring. It got requested. I already did ADA, by the way, Steve. I'll do it again if you want, but let me check out Loopring that got requested. So. Loopring, it is pumping, dude. It's pumping, dude. It's pumping a lot. Dude, look at these three magical green bars. 57%, 30%, 31%, right? So crazy, dude. It's pumped a lot. And this is over 100%. 175% in the last 3 days. That's crazy, dude. Why is this pumping so much? Is there news behind this? Yeah, Team Skywalker. Do you know why it's pumping so much? I haven't looked at this, so I'm not sure. Higher, positive, more positive, high, and there's such a hard point. Overbought at 90. It's super high on the overbought scale. This is gonna get major pullback, man. It's candidate for major pullback. Zero gas fees, yeah, but you know, wow. All right, this is a candidate for major pullback, right? There's a big chance it could pull back down on the fact that, you know, it's highly overbought. It's gonna be the same story on the 4 hour. Look at that, almost no rest. High, higher, positive, high, there's such a hard point. Nothing bearish right now. Still pumping 30% just on these freaking candles. That's insane. Right? Bitcoin pulling back down, and this is just like mooning, right? At least if you trades looks something like out of an ICO. Yeah, dude, it's pumping so much. Bitcoin getting above 31,000, so that's good. So higher, possible high on there. So right, some bearish divergence here in the 1 hour. Finally. Right. And the reason why we could probably move down, right? Again, this is going up so high, bro. I'm not found the price. I mean, I like it when you're in them and then they run that high. The supply is almost gone as well. Yeah. I don't mind when they pump like this here in the project. Bitcoin below. You know, but the fact is that if you don't time it right, that crash could be coming in real quick. Right now, target would be the 20 moving average around 34.21 cents. Right now, looping at 48.80 cents, and the movement down. Let's take a measurement from what's at. If we move down here and hit target, we're talking about a 30% drop, 29% drop. So it's insane. Let's check Bitcoin again. Right above 31,475. Yeah, see there go triggers again. Come on, Bitcoin, you need to close and stay above this line, dude. I'm gonna extend that over. Sorry, you want to extend that one. I'm gonna extend this one. See if we can still hold support there. Right. Looks like we're holding support at the previous resistance, right? Resistance becoming support. Again, Bitcoin is still massively bullish, right? Bullish AF. So we've talked about that before. Let me go into another chart and draw a line that you guys should see, I guess. As this one should do? Yeah, this one should do a trick. Let's go on log scale, right? And check this out, right? We're still on a very good uptrend. Where's my... It's here. Fib channel. I want to look at it like that. No, it looks horrible, right? How do I want to look at this? I'll anchor it the other way, from low to high like that, right? Go here, and so we kind of like broke out of it. And if we look at this, right, where are we at with regards to everything? Well, we are between that 25 to 100% to 50%, right? And we're trying to get up to this level again, 42,000. Right, where's 50,000? Up here, right? At the we can still move sideways here, right? And come find support at this level, and really try to get up here again. We're outside of some fib channels that I had way back here, and those would be better seen, I guess, on the regular scale, not log. Sorry, there we go. This channel is the one we're trading at for an uptrend, right? So that's fine for Bitcoin right now. Let's go here in the 1 hour. Let's see a W that everybody... Well, I have to fix that channel, by the way, in Bitcoin. I didn't like the way it looked, so... I have to fix the anchoring. This sort of W, right? So we can still get to this level, right? 30,200. Wouldn't be weird. We're back above 31,432. So I like that. Now, I hope we stay above the 20. You see that support and pump higher. That would be really pretty for Bitcoin, but not really liking the way it's looking right now. On the 4 hour, we're still holding on to the support, right? This blue support line. It's just held, right? Beautifully. But the more we test it, the more likely we are to break it. I don't really want to break that support line. Let's go back to Bitcoin here real quick. I think it was this chart that I was looking at, yeah. want to do this in the macro again. So I think I can I get better anchor points? That's the question. And it basically comes to whether or not I want to use this wick there, right? And if we use this wick there, right? Then, you know, we'll get some resistance here, right? Resistance. The touch points are not the best. And then if we come in, you can see that, you know, we're trying to hold the support above that 50, which might not be this. Bitcoin breaking below that line again. It's going to keep on triggering the alert, dude. That is an area of support that we're getting at. And then we're flirting with holding on to that, which I don't like. I guess this is the way I'm going to have to go with this, right? Maybe the linear scale might look better than the log scale. Let's go on linear and see how this looks here. I think it's going to tell us that we're really breaking out of this area, right? So I'll go from here to here, I guess. Way up high, right? So as you can tell, we're really breaking out of that area. So if I go the opposites... Again, my alerts are just going insane, right? Bitcoin. Hooray for Bitcoin. Let's adjust this in a second. Right, this could be it. High, low. Resistance. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Finally got above this area, right? And then look at that beautiful run, right? This could be the way we can look at it. But still, I just want to highlight that it's a major uptrend for Bitcoin since the beginning of time. All right. So on that note, let's go see what Bitcoin's doing again. Below my target. I don't like it. I wish Bitcoin would just, you know, decide what it wants to do, and that would be really cool. But again, right? That support's still holding, dude. If we break it, very likely going to test 30,600. Right, not looking too good today, but it's, you know, I like it. I don't mind it. It gives me room to think about whether or not I really just want to exit it on the next retest of this area. Now look at what we're doing, right? We're still making positive momentum. Remember what I said. This could still drop, right? We'll go from here to about maybe the same or slightly lower, and then we're going to be creating some strong bullish divergence probably, right? And also going higher on that RSI, right? And with that, we could be looking for another pump to happen. So again, it's at that point where do you really want to exit and then just buy back here if it ever comes down here right now? Oh, we just closed and it looks like we're going to move up on this hour. We'll close right at support. I don't like it, man. I don't like it. I don't like it because if we get another cross here, the MACD under signal line, we're going to start making negative momentum. That really could just bring Bitcoin back down, dude. So it would be a party. Poopo Bitcoin. Nav, we'll make it a lower low from that. Yeah. The first one, yeah. Yeah, I do. I agree. So now we're below the 20. And it's still going higher, right? High, higher, high, higher, high. So now we're looking at this, right? Look, if I use that wick, it almost perfectly fits, right? High, higher, higher. So again, the uptrend in the short term is upsloping. So that whether or not Bitcoin wants to follow the uptrend right now, the short-term uptrend, right? And we'll highlight it real quick. Look at that, right here. Like that, right? Look at that, beautiful. High, now resistance, resistance, resistance. You know, that area, breaking below, right? So this is an upsloping channel right now. That's where Bitcoin's trading at. Alright, so it could be that we could try to go higher again, and then maybe to the top part of the channel, maybe hit that 33,400 again. We'll see. You know, I do believe Bitcoin's consolidating this level right now. We gotta watch out for it. Trying to make sure I'm not missing anything out here, so I'm gonna have to go to another chart real quick. Just to double check. second, third yesterday. Right, so, sure about the silence. I'm thinking about what else I could chart that I might be missing on the other chart, right? So, do I want to anchor from back here just to make it fit? So look, we're making a fallen wedge. Right, or do I want to anchor from up here? This is look, it don't look too pretty, right? So that wouldn't be the case. I guess something like this could be playing out. Right, maybe I've got a fallen wedge. We could still come down here to 30,000, right? 29,000. We'll see. We'll see with Bitcoin, right? Again, really trying to determine what Bitcoin wants to do right now. Because I'm looking, it's not giving clear signals. So, let's go here on the daily real quick. And if you remember, we're still on this parabolic run. So we could very well come down here again, find some point and then pump, right? Or move sideways here, hit this area, then bounce off it. Now, how low can we go before it actually hits it again? Well, if it's today, we could still come all the way down here to 29,200, right? And after that impulse up, look, impulse up, we're starting to flag, which don't look too bad if I ignore the wick, right? That's FOMO. We're starting to make a flag sort of happening here, right? They don't look graying. It looks like we're pulling back a bit. Let's go check out LRC again. Just pulling back up, right? Yeah, not too bad. 27%. Push back down a little bit. Let's go to the large part here. There you go. Bearish divergence, right? Potential for movement down on LRC. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out Bitcoin out because I really don't want to miss out on it. Oh, we're going to sell probably. Like this would be the short term sloping trend. Put this here. I'll put in this other chart. Some of that, right? And the other one is like this, right? This would be the opposite of what I'm looking at right now. Not liking this one though, but I mean, it just highlights that we're in a major, or mid-trend, I would say, on the 1 hour mid-trend, downsloping trend channel, downsloping channel, and then the short term, or shorter term, we're in a slight of upsloping channel, right? So, yeah, I'm finding Bitcoin a little bit hard to read right now, so I'm a little bit undecided. We're still above the 20, which is good. That means here we're getting above this area bullish enough. See if we can get the bounce to get us to go higher in this previous high, right? And then we could be on that upsloping channel that we're talking about. That would be giving me a lot of mental peace. So, yeah. Live for 58 minutes. I'm going to be here for the next couple minutes, and then I'm going to call it a night, guys. I had a horrible night's sleep yesterday as well, so. And then PayPal still has my funds frozen, which really sucks because, you know, I'm getting tired. I sent them a message today, basically telling them that them having the funds frozen is costing me a 43% gain on one investment on digital assets. So see if they can hurry their butts up, right? Ah, dude, come on, Bitcoin. Just get above that area and pump. Come on. I want to go to the shorter time scale, see if we have something that we could work with here. I doubt it, though, right? Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. There's the hard point. Low, high, high, low. Well, we do have something here in the half hour, I guess. Right? High, higher. I'm sure this is going to really play with a lot of strength, but you know, it is here nonetheless. So. some hidden bullish for potential action to the upside, or at least stalling to happen around this area. Stall to happen around this area. We'll see. Try calling. PayPal is difficult to deal with. Yeah, I know. But look, what I was telling PayPal is you've been holding my account since the 21st. Let's go on the daily look. The 21st was back here. So if they would have released my funds on the 2nd, the 3rd, or the 24th, right? I could have been taking part of this pump. I'm not saying I would have sold at the top, but even at where it's at right now, right? It's still a 35% pump. That just means that I would have had like $350 more on that awesome tip that Alex sent the other day. The fact that PayPal refuses to release that, it just costed me this opportunity. That's why I'm telling them, dude. You know, you're telling me on your service or terms of service that you're gonna reply to me in a day. You're taking more than a day, right? I get that COVID and whatever, but you know, update your reply time on your emails, right? Because they just keep on saying that. I never give a rat's tail about me or my money, dude. Yo, what's up, Santurismo? Thanks for being here, man. Thanks for the awesome tip. Can I move the money to... No, everything's frozen. I can do anything, dude. It's just stuck there. Look, this is what they're telling me. You cannot withdraw your money. You cannot send money or payments. You cannot refund money to customers. You cannot pay using PayPal. So I can't even buy stuff with PayPal right now. They're just being dicks. I cannot close PayPal account. I cannot remove a card. I cannot remove a bank account. Well, however, I can still receive money. Hey, they're free. They're freaking awesome just taking more money. They have a-holes. Add money to PayPal account. Yeah, whatever. Add another bank account. I can add more cards. Keep on doing shit for them. But I cannot do what I want to do, which is withdraw my money, right? They're just being dicks, dude. It really, really sucks. This service, right? Look, and everything's completed, and this got submitted again. And then after I completed this the first time, no, they required another card bank account statement, and they also asked me to confirm a card. They required this for a second time, and all this information that I already given them, they required it again. So they're just being really, real dicks about it. And reasons like this is why people are gonna stop using this kind of banking services provided by a third party, which can do shit like this, and move on to crypto assets, where yeah, it sounds reasonable. That's true, man. Troll Moon soon. Yeah, you PayPal them. I know they're terrible for service. I know. They'll let you give them money, but you cannot take it out. Yeah. Add another bank card. It will help. No, it won't. Plus, I don't have another bank card to add. They already have all the bank cards that I have. What I hate though here is the fact that, you know, reasons like this and this horrible service and what they're doing, freezing your account, you know, is why people are gonna start using more crypto asset based or crypto based services than, you know, services by a third party, right? So yeah, like be your own bank for reals, right? And then yeah, because the reason you gave is like number 3 on the most popular ways to launder money, and so I got escalated. Look, whatever, man. I put the timestamps. I put the video link. I put the timestamps. What do they want me to say, dude? Like, if someone sends me a tip, I'm not responsible for that tip, right? Like, for reals, man. Right? It's just freaking annoying. We want our chart on Bitcoin. Check out what's doing, dude. Yeah, right. Testing that support again. It's not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. Have institutions stop buying Bitcoin? Will they add more? Let's find out tomorrow. Look, like if someone sends me a tip, I cannot be held accountable for that, right? It's like if you leave a waiter a tip of $1,000, you know, on for your bill, which you could have ordered a water, right? Mr. Beast did that. He went and ordered water. He left $1,000 tip. That's like if the bank came in and seized the money and said, "Oh no, we just gotta make sure you're not laundering money." It's like, what the hell, dude? Really? $1,000? Is that really a good amount to say I'm gonna launder money? I'm gonna launder $1,000? Is that really legit? That's the dumbest thing ever, man. Particularly if you don't get those tips that often, right? So it's like people are not gonna be laundering 1,000 by 1,000 on some small scale channel. if they're gonna launder money, they're gonna go to like a large channel that gets lots of donations and probably put money through there, and that guy's probably gonna be in cahoots with them, and he's gonna give them money back. So you know, it's just freaking weird, man. We're dropping below support. Oh no, Bitcoin, you gotta quote the 30K, man. Well, that really ruins for upsloping channel idea, right? Really bring it below that area. Again, Bitcoin, not hot. I mean, we still have the fallen wedge, potential fallen wedge in play. We'll see. Steve just says, right, I got it. It's just freaking annoying, dude. You know, I'm like tired of dealing with PayPal, dude, and their horrible freaking service. I wish I could get like the crypto tips to show up here on YouTube. I know I can get them on Twitch if I sign in with Twitch. But then if someone tips, then like I don't get the whole YouTube thing here. Where I get the subs coming in, etc. I'll just give me subs for Twitch. But if I keep bringing the notifications from Twitch over onto my YouTube channel, then yeah, I could take crypto tips, and they will also show on the stream, which would be really, really cool. It just freaking sucks that I have not been able to find a way to really integrate that properly. So again, let's go to the 30-minute Bitcoin, see what it's doing, dude. It's not really caring about that hidden bullish, I guess, anymore, right? So yeah, let's go lower. So now we go from here. Oh yes, no, that's still all in tune. So hell's no. We don't have anything to go on with here on the half-hour chart either. And we didn't have anything bearish. Look at this, right? High. This was 183.62. This was 199. So higher, positive, higher to the hard point. It's just breaking down, dude. A lot of people are probably cashing out off their Bitcoin, right? Boomer, what's up? Evening. Ethereum looks like ready to roll over. Yeah. Let's go check out Ethereum, see where it's at, dude. Ethereum. Where is it, ETH? Scroll way too low. What I need to. Oh, yeah. Below the 1K area, right? Again, following Bitcoin, right? On its crappy move down. Yay, Bitcoin. It's killing the market. Look at how much it dropped on this last candle, man. It wasn't that low when we came in. We had the bearish divergence, but damn, dude. Sitting for that 981 support. Not liking that, by the way. Posting the breakout pattern to look for on the Discord. It seems to be exactly... Yeah, send it on the Discord. I'm looking at potential double top here, by the way, right? Haven't like drawn it, but it is there. How's that double top there, man? You lie. No, I don't. I'll show you. First of all, let me find the curve. Here we go. It's like an atom double top, right? Something like that, and then this would be a neckline for that double top. And then I will go style, make it blue, and then I'll take a measure for about a 13% drop, I guess, what we're looking for. 50% drop would get us to 814. That would potentially be target if we were to break this to the downside, right? Call potential because we're not down here yet. But let's see what Boomer sent. Everyone looks smart in the bull run. Damn, YouTube's censoring my live stream? Why is YouTube censoring my live stream? Are you kidding me? Someone said that on Discord. YouTube censoring your live stream. I'm not sure if you guys can read it there, but here it is. Oh, shit. Damn it. There we go. Everyone looks smart in the bull run. Why is YouTube censoring my live stream? Let me know. I'm not sure why. And then Boomer said he was going to post something here, but it's not here yet. But Boomer, whenever you post it, let me know. Bitcoin pulled above 31K again. Yeah, let's go Bitcoin. You can do it. Again, if we look at Bitcoin on the daily, right, it's starting to flag, right? When people stop, it's starting to flag. We just gotta wait for flag formation to happen, right? Coming down here to bounce and, you know, start making a nice tight flag. Again, it's part of flagging. It just looks so horrible when you're in the 1 hour because the time is just so huge, right? The dollar move, and it looks so huge. But really, we just lost 3% yesterday, and it looks like right now we're just losing 3% again for today, so not too bad. Boomer, I'm waiting for your breakout pattern. By the way, if you like what we do, hit that like that button, that's up, right? There's 10 people watching, only 5 people have liked, or 6 people have liked. Hit it now, or I'll steal your crypto. Yep. Shower 117. I already took a shower, but thanks. Then Sensorism made it rain. 117 troll on 10 chatters. That's awesome. If you're chatting, you don't have a troll bot account. I guess you can get there, right? Boomer, 1 sec. Had to get the laptop. Right on, Boomer. Is that only on Twitch? I'm not sure. I think so. I don't think I have 10 chatters on Twitch, though. I'm not even sure how many people are watching on Twitch. I haven't looked at Twitch in a while, so... I know it's just there running, but I'm not really watching, so... There's not a lot of chat coming through Twitch. Now it just says there's 1 people watching on Twitch, so that would be Sensorismo, I guess. So I'm assuming anyone that's on chat gets it, basically. I'm not sure. Yeah, thanks. I'm not sure how, though. It says it's raining on 10 chatters, but there's only 1 chatter on Twitch, so it's weird. Maybe you guys on YouTube are getting that rain. I'm not sure. What the hell is this? Others earlier, that's on. Other bots active as well. It's fun on YouTube. It's repeating pattern multiple time frames. Right on. I'll check that in a second. Asgari. CGLD is going insane right now. 131%. Right, let's go check it out. Before I do that, I'm wondering if Boomer already sent that. Yeah, I think he did. So let's check this out. Oh, it's going to look tiny, Boomer, here. I'm going to have to open it in a new window, I guess. Sure, let me go check out that coin that's popping a lot. CGLD. I think we already looked at this before. Let's go check it out. So CGLD pumping a lot. 100 and change percent. 100 and something. That's weird. Why? Let's go on the daily. 173%. Why is it going so high, man? It went from like $1.50 to $4. It's all happening in the last 2 hours. Why is this pumping so hard, bro? Why is this pumping so much? A lot of pullback. Look at that, dude. It's just dumping like crazy. It's bleeding, dude. Yeah. It's pushing all-time high. Yeah, but it's rejecting like none other, dude. Why is this so weird, this project, man? It's dropping so much, dude. It's like a 30-cent gap, bro, right? It went from $3 to $3.40, and then just pumps back. Look at this, right? It has like huge trading gaps, dude. Weird, man. Very weird. Did a $2.70 pump before. Yeah, I'm not sure how much supply is there for this project, man. Let's go check it out. Bitcoin is getting above 31,440. Finally, Bitcoin, do something good. Do something with your life, Bitcoin. Get out of the couch and start pumping like crazy, dude. Pumping dumps. Yeah, dude. Oh, it's pumping hard live right now. Yeah, Sensorismo is pumping hard, dude. Several people all getting to on Twitter, they all shield the crap out of their followers. Yeah, probably what's happening, right? Again, look at $3.11. Still 37% gains on this hour. It's not crazy. They pumped 41 in the last hour. That's just going insane, bro. What the hell, man? It seems to be calming down a little bit now, right? The moves are not so wild to the upside. To the downside, still about a 10-cent gap to the downside, 12-cent gap, but you know, it looks like it wants to chill for a little bit. We'll keep an eye out for it. Again, if it starts pumping, let me know. I'm gonna look at something else real quick. I was gonna look at what Boomer sent, but I was hoping here on a. Why is it not loading, bro? Not loading. So I can get the whatever Boomer sent me here to open. Boomer, where do you get this chart from? Because I love how it just rips, never comes back. Boop. All right. Then something drops big and hard. High 9,000, low 10,000 accumulation. Low 1,000 actually says accumulation, right? And it just like pumps. So it's weird, dude. Daily chart. We're looking around September. Yeah. I can't see the pattern properly, so I cannot gauge it against Ethereum, but if you share with me your chart, I'll probably be able to look at that a little bit better, man. Still keep pumping, dude. What the hell's wrong with this project? It's supposed to be a 10K. Yeah, I just said 1,000, though. You want to see it open? The other one. What other one, dude? You just sent me one. Did you send another one? I think I closed the Discord by accident, so I gotta now go open the Discord. Oh, he sent another one. There we go. Alright, see that drop that you're talking about, right? That Bitcoin had on the other one as well. Yeah, before it actually like ripped and went up. Yeah. Went from 60 to 40 on Loopring. Really? We're already calling for pullback on Loopring, remember? I told you it was pumping too hard. We're going to get that pullback happening. So let's see LRC. LRC, was that the one? Or LCR? LRC, I think it was. 0.40, yeah, but you know, we talked about bearish divergence and getting pullback happening because it was going up too fast, remember? So we're getting that pullback to happen, 43 cents. Not too bad. Yeah. Sure, Boomer, send another one. Yeah, I see that drop that you're talking about in that red dot, right? Dropped and then like consolidated slightly and then just boom, ripped, right? It could be good. I mean, that would really mean that if, Bitcoin also has to kind of hold where it's at. Bitcoin dropping a lot, it's not going to be good, dude. Bitcoin below again. 31,400. Come on, Bitcoin, get above that area. Don't be a lazy bum and start pumping. Is there anything else happening here in the chat? Oh, Sensorismo did type something. He said, DP pumping. What? I mean, we have more than zero volume today. That's pretty cool. The exchange got back in sync, all but unnamed. Yeah, I have to look at the exchange, Sensorismo. Sorry, I didn't see that happening on the chat, but, I think you sent me the DP exchange here, so I'll copy the link and paste it here. Is you getting started? Right on, dude. Bitcoin above. That target, right? You all heard the bit, probably. So we did. Bitcoin above target, so it's good. What? It's pumping. I don't see it moving, dude. It's on the daily. Oh, you're right. It did take a small pop, or a high pop over here. What the hell? Why did it pop so much? Oh, but we looked at this yesterday, right? We're already up here. So we're taking a small pop from like 2 to... What, it's like 20 sats? Let me count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. So 20 sats, right? What? What the hell, dude? This is the 31st, right? So it took a nice pop from like 6 sats to 21 sats, and it just took a 1 sat pop. So that's fine. Bitcoin going down is awesome, just not far. I don't trade US dollars in all season. All I do is stack sats. Look at the 4-hour run on Bitcoin right now. Sure, let's go check out the 4-hour on Bitcoin. It's flagging, dude. right? Still holding support. What do you want me to look at here? That drop that it took here, you think we're going to get another red dot for a pump or what? It's about to do the same fractal pattern. Yeah, we're looking at like back here when it dropped. I can't remember when it was. I think we're looking at the 26th of November or something like that. Or September even. I don't mind Bitcoin dropping. I love the fact that it's consolidating. I just want to stay above 31,400. That's good. Below that area, it really gets to the point where it could start really tanking more. And I don't really like the flag, how it looks in the 4 hour. But on the 1 hour, it don't look too bad. On the daily, sorry, it don't look too bad, right? Look, we're getting this nice impulse up, right? Look, that nice impulse up. And starting to make that nice and tight flag. Except for that large wick of FOMO that we got. Or the whole Bitcoin's whole time behind, it's dying, and you know. But staying above this area is good for Bitcoin. All right, consolidate this range, it's fine. So if it drops to this range, it still works. You know, we could range from here to here, and that's fine. But I do believe this area here, 31,400, will give it a little more strength if it just consolidates tightly here. All right. My sats go up mad every time it does. Right on, Boomer. I rarely look at fractals when I trade, though, right? So, just to be honest with that. What indicator are you using that gives you a red dot? Or the one that you had with the dots? I have to go look at what you were using for indicator, dude. I rarely look at that. Here you go. Alright, you send the other one. That's cool. Oh, it's not a red dot. I held a lot of stuff on the chart, dude. You way too many dots for my taste. But if that works for you, man, that's fine, right? For me, it's way too much information on the chart. Are you using the pro version of TradingView? Looks like you might be using the pro version of TradingView. You got a lot of freaking information out here, dude. I just use the free one. It works for the stream and what I need to do. Usually for what I need to do on trading in general, it just works with the free one. I don't use a lot of indicators, but yeah, I need to probably buy the pro version at some point in time, right? It'll give me the opportunity to open different charts, etc. Might make it better. For the stream. For the stream. Dude, if I do this. Oh, dang it. Check this out real quick. We are at extreme greed. Still. Wait for the sales, dude. Yeah, let's say wait for the sales as well. Sensors will say no troubles. I'm making food in the kitchen right now. Anyhow, that's pretty cool. I already had dinner, so I had a good sandwich, so it was really nice. There's just so many exchanges out there now, right? Boomer, if you never signed up for paid membership before you pay 1 month of top tier, then cancel. They send you an email 50 or 60% off. Stay. Yeah, but I really hate spending money on TradingView because everything I do for the stream, I do it with the free version. So, The only advantage it has is that I can have multiple charts open at the same time on different windows, and that'll be fine if I had like 4 more screens or 2 more screens to be up here. I just have the 2 here. This one has all the information that I need for the stream, YouTube chat, etc., and then this one has all the information that I need for trading. And most of what I can do with one screen for trading for the stream. So the only reason I would have 2 different ones would be to like maybe have the chat really dedicated up there, and you know, everything that has to do with the streaming platform here. And then maybe have another one up here. That way I can have like 2 different charts open and be looking at different information. But really, I'm not doing that much. I'm not that heavy into trading short term right now. Is to have multiple screens, and throughout the day when I'm not streaming, it's good enough that I have 2 TradingView accounts, and I can have both of the stuff that I need on both of them. I don't show one of them on the screen, but you know, I'll have like 2 different charts open, and it still works, I guess. You know, it works with any tier. Yeah, I gotta check it out, dude. Steve saying, I want to set up with like 8 screens and a TV. Wow, it's pretty wild. If you can manage to hook up a large TV, like a 40-inch TV, 50-inch TV, yeah, I could probably do everything in a 50-inch TV if I had it hooked up like that. Because I do have the resolution going out there, and it'd be really nice just to be looking at a huge TV and then have like, you know, the chart there and just show that part of the window for the stream, and then have everything up there. I just think a TV is really bad for looking at the data, right? Like here, the letters look really nice, and on TV sometimes they don't look as sharp. But I guess 2 more monitors could work for me. Just need to figure out though if I really just want 2 more monitors or not. Which, to be honest, I really don't feel like buying 2 more monitors right now. You need to get really good screen splitting software. Yeah. I can handle up to 4 monitors with my graphics card right now. I could still add a secondary graphics card and add up to 8 monitors, but it's just too much, right? At some point in time, it's just too many monitors. There's also the 3 super wides on top of each other. Yeah. Check out something under 40-inch with a 4K pixel density. Yeah, it could be, man. I think, like, I've seen some really nice setups that have 3 screens, right? And then a super wide on top. Or they have a super wide, right? And then they have, like, 2 screens on top and then 2 small ones on the bottom. It has, like, a 5-panel thing. And that looks really legit. I wouldn't mind getting something like that. But, I don't know, dude. I haven't checked out prices for, like, super wide screen monitors and something like that. But like right now, if I were to get something or anything at all, it's just I need to get stuff to make the stream better, right? I don't like all that other like extra juicy stuff that I only get to see and take advantage of. Stuff I don't care right now. If I can get another monitor and it helps with the stream, so I can have a better stream, that'll be really cool. But you know, just buying super wides just for the hell of buying them, you know, it's weird. Like, cause you guys don't get to see those super wides, right? Only I get to see them, and that's just the point that, you know, it doesn't really improve the stream. It doesn't improve me and my trading and whatever I can do here and multitask. But it doesn't really improve on the quality of the stream that I'm sending out to you. So right now, for example, like I said, right, the Stream Deck was the primary target. After that, probably a better mic. This one's fine. You know, I have a mic. I could probably prioritize into a green screen or something different. But I already have a light. I already have a camera. So those are not priorities right now. So probably the better audio would be better for you. And then, so Stream Deck helps me control the stream better. And the mic would be probably the next step. After that, probably the green screen. Then after that, probably better camera. And then after that, probably better lighting. But right now, like after those things, then yeah, I could start like maybe targeting for a new PC, or for a new graphics card, or for a better processor, or a better rig. But those targets, like, you'll go up there, right? And then that's what we will be targeting for tips, which now I gotta update to something new. I just keep on forgetting to update that because we're already past December, right? So December's gone and we hit the target beautifully thanks to our buddy Alex, who came in and dropped a massive amount of dough on the stream, dude. Still trying to see if Bitcoin's gonna close above that 20, dude. I really want to call it an early stream, but I'm hooked. I'm hooked on a feeling that Bitcoin might get above that 20, and we could try to pump again. What? What's happening on the Discord? Is that you, dude? Damn, Steve. You got two of them? What the fudge? That's not you, dude. You got that from a website. Yeah, still pretty legit, though, right? That's what you want. Right. Isn't, like, each of those monitors like $1,000 or something, dude? Pull back down. And this screwed. What? Can Bitcoin chill for a couple of weeks till ADA hits $1? That's what I want. No, yeah. Yeah, dude. That's crazy, dude. I'm not sure if Bitcoin's gonna chill that long. Your dream setup maybe with 2 ultra wides on the side. Like if I get another screen, it'll definitely be a vertical one. I'll put it in a vertical mode so I can put it off to the side and put the chat there and make it huge, right? And then I'll probably get like ultra wide. I could get an ultra wide to replace this 2 that I have right now, and then probably put one of this sideways so I can do the chat and then one here on top to do something different. I'm not sure, dude. Super wides are expensive though. I'm not sure if I want to spend that much on the screen right now. Like I said, there's other priorities for the stream, and I do believe in prioritizing what's best for everyone, or particularly you guys, right? So I'll give your gift to you at the 10 million mark. What do you mean 10 million mark? When 80 Halley goes to 1 million. Do you think 80 is ever going to get to 1 million? That's going to be insane, dude. 10 million what? Dollars? I don't think it's going to get there, man. There we go. Everything should be clear now, right? They should read now that we have a different target. And, yep. There we go, man. Right. New target up there, actually. You can see the tips reloading and everything, so it's good, man. CGLD still looking strong on the pump. Loopring still around 41. Yeah, Loopring, I do believe Loopring could still drop a little bit more. I just want you hold gets 10 million. I'm not sure how much you have and what prize you need for 10 million, but that looked pretty legit. CGLD, let's go back and look at that one. CGLD, man. Yeah, CGLD at 3.2. It seems to be stabilizing around this area, right? That's why I told you, like, when it was down here, it was just fluctuating slightly. It wasn't taking those wild 10-cent swings every time, so it seems to be stabilizing. It could be okay, right? It could be finding middle ground around this area. Nothing bearish, though, right? Nothing bearish in any time scale, so it's good, man, right? It did get close to all-time highs being way up here, right? All-time highs are way up here. But that's fine for a new project, I guess. So I'm not going to do any technical scare. Everything's gone, like the way to Dodo right now. Anyways, markup we need to get above 1 trillion and below 10 trillion. Wow. That's a lot. Bitcoin, again, still fluctuating there. And I was looking at the monitors. I think in Mexico they're super expensive. I'm not sure how much they're in the US, but let's see. Amazon. See, yeah, dude, super wide screens are expensive as fudge, dude. What the hell? Like, the Samsung 49-inch one is just $881, right? Because it's in sale. It's actually cost $1,200, which is insane, right? So I'm not sure. That's a business one. They also have a gaming one that's 144 hertz, which I guess it looks the same. Right? Resolution's the same. FreeSync 2 with HDR. They both cost the same, $899, right? So it's on sale. I'm not sure, man. You know, I'm not sure if I really want to get an ultra wide that's that expensive, right? I think I could spend money on so many more things for the stream than just getting that ultra wide monitor, dude. Right now, that 49-inch is far less cheaper than the Acer Gaming 37.5 ultra wide curved monitor, which makes the Samsung one a better value right now. I'm not sure if I want to get that, right? I wouldn't get that right now. I would probably wait. I think there's other priorities that I have besides getting that, right? It's not that bad compared to what I can get it here in Mexico for, which is very similar. It says 21,600 pesos, which is more or less like $1,000. So it's more or less on par with that actual value. So. I mean, it would be really legit here on my setup, dude, right? Like, to have ultra wide here would be really cool. Maybe someday. Bitcoin, 8 minutes to close, man. It looks like we're not going to close above 31,400. I don't like that. I like it because on the shorter time scales, we don't have anything to go on that's bullish, right? We're all just like, what? In the 15 minute, doesn't have. Lower, more negative, more negative. Sorry, low on the other side to lower point. Neutral at 43.08, so nothing there, man. Then the 5 minutes also not doing a lot, right? Oh, lower, negative, negative, low on the other side, lower. Nothing bullish. Nothing bullish. It's rejecting the 20, man. Come on, Bitcoin, not cool, man. I think the Christmas lights are gonna go away tomorrow, maybe, or day after tomorrow. I'm not sure. I'm still trying to figure out. And this 2020 thing that's here, it's also gonna go away soon. We're gonna hear a couple streams through that, so I'm not sure how much longer I'm gonna actually leave it there. Hedge fund bought 1 billion in Bitcoin. No. What? Is that for real? Why is it not pumping? I want to see that pump. When did that happen? You have the article, send the link, I'll check it out, right? That's how it rolls. Probably happened that he did. Nah, I doubt it. Now JP Morgan's coming out and said JP Morgan sees 146,000 plus Bitcoin price as a long-term target. Right? Weren't they against Bitcoin, right, for the longest time and like talking shit about it? Now they want to join it. And that was just 2 hours ago. And this is good news, though. An hour ago on Bitcoin News, right? We were live already. This Colombian financial watchdog says local firms can use capital to buy Bitcoin. That's interesting, dude. If companies are allowed to buy Bitcoin, that's going to be really dope. You're selling your Bitcoin, Boomer? You've sold your Bitcoin, sorry? Sorry, your Ethereum. You get that right? Colin Financial Watchdog says firms can use capital to buy Bitcoin. Ooh, if this happens, right? They just don't tell you there. We'll see what else, dude. They're bullish, bearish news, whatever, man. Gotta find a middle ground. I haven't really sold my Ethereum yet, man. I don't have a lot. I just got a good chunk, but still at 1,000, dude. Not too bad for Ethereum, right? I'm worried about the potential double top, right? See how this plays. Yeah, drop could be to 800 at first. Undo most of the massive gains it just took, which would really be sad for Ethereum. Two minutes. Looks like we're gonna close below 31,400, right? And you're saying that was a weak bounce. Yeah. Not looking strong. Some hidden bullish divergence developing now, though, right? Only against the RSI, right? So just keep that in mind. Sorry, this is still the color of blue. Let's make the color of yellow. There we go. Okay, low, lower, low, high, right? Hidden bullish. Will it hold? I would love to say it will. I doubt it, though. Boomer, 800, 850. Yeah, that's what I was targeting, right? 813 or so. If this is a double bottom, sorry, double top, then moving down, that would be targeting there. Long 30.6 again? What do you mean long 30.6 again? Are you longing Bitcoin at 30,600? I'm not sure, Andrew. Just like the ones in my artwork. Yeah. That'd be a massive drop, right? But I thought the institutions are buying all the debts. No. Probably they can, but they're not. 30,900. Great stuff, right? Break even below this area. Come on, Bitcoin. Look, it's not looking too good for Bitcoin right now. I really don't want it to break 30,000. That would be the last target, right? From there, it's 29,000. I would probably be exiting around 30K. Maybe even here, 3,600 if it breaks below this area. I'm looking for a short-term exit. Maybe write it down and look for another in way lower, right? Because, you know, it's not going to be pretty. I mean, if we consolidate this level, that's fine. We're going to bounce here. But if we break below this area, it could really spell some trouble. And 4 seconds. We're going to close here, man. 3, 2, 1. Done. New hour candle. So open sideways, we're probably going to hit resistance immediately. Pull down. In the resistance. Hidden resistance, are we going to pull down? No, it looks like we want to keep on going slightly higher. Let's see. Sorry about that. Dynamic Motorsport Experience. Yo, just turned in. How's Ethereum looking? Well, it's looking like Ethereum, dude. It's not super hot. 1,000 right now, but it looks like it really wants to drop. Right, potential double top coming in. If it breaks below 963, big chance we could target 813. Bitcoin doesn't have a double top, right? I hate that. It would be nice if we had like a double top or something going with, right? Look, we're rejecting. Oh no. Oh, dude. Again, not looking super cool. Let's play that random. That's gonna be for tonight, guys. It's already 11 p.m. So I'm gonna call it a stream. And I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Star Crypto. New goals up, right? For 30 days. Oh, I didn't change the time for the goal. It says it already expired, so it hasn't expired. We'll set up a new goal. It's going up right there on that corner. It says it is for a wave mic. So you'll want to hear me better in my beautiful toned voice. That's where the donations are going to go to. The next couple donations. By the way, even though the money's frozen on whatever that PayPal thing is, you know, it just got frozen there. The wife and I already started like giving out food to people, which is pretty cool. We hooked up with people with you know, boxes of what is that? We got them. It was like pasta, rice, beans, canned tuna, like dishwashing soap, regular body soap, oil, coffee. What else did we give them? Some like 2 Costco chickens, bread, flour, wheat flour, corn flour. So we did hook up a couple people on the streets with some food, which was pretty cool. I hope PayPal just releases the funds quickly. I mean, it didn't spend like a lot of that, but it was part of what I told Alex I was going to do. So I did end up hooking out some people with that. Very nice. There we go. Down sideways fake out towards the upside and down around 8. We might go even wick back into 7s. I'm long gain and dim out. 30% scalp. Yeah. Dude, I'm really worried about Bitcoin. Starting to get there though, right? Breaking below this area would really get me worried because 30K is going to be a reality. If breaking 30K puts us back on the path to the 20K and below, right? 29, 28, right? 29, 28 targets, not good. Consolidating this area, good. Dropping them down there, not good. It's a massive drop from here to here. Talk about a 5% drop. Not super massive, but it's still, you can get out and get back in and buy a bit more Bitcoin, which would be good, right? You know why hate shorting? Dude, I didn't get that. Oh, you know I hate shorting. But would it be too dangerous in my opinion? Yeah, right now I wouldn't. I would wait for a drop below 30. What was this level? Dude, 30,000 and change we called. 30,600 before I short it. I do believe we can find support in this area before we actually drop down here, right? I really don't short, so I'll just sell my position and buy back in lower, thus giving me a bigger position when I buy back in. Look, Bitcoin above 31,400 is good. Below that area, really big chances of moving lower still. And I do want Bitcoin above that area, man. Again, look, that positive momentum's dying out really quick, right? It was a very short-lived fake positive momentum. I was looking for another in here. That's why I put an arrow there, right? That was a cross that I wanted to get for Bitcoin to really start going up higher. But if you look at this, last time we did that was way back here on December 29th. And we even did the same thing, right? Look, for a couple hours we went up high, right? Then went back down, created this very tiny negative momentum, and then really burst through the upside and then a fake cross and like boom, right? So could we repeat something like this here, right? Maybe. I mean, we're getting to that point where we're almost touching it. Could we make negative momentum for a bar for 1 hour candle and then pop? Maybe. Will it repeat? I doubt it. You got positions at 26K. You think I'll go that low? Not sure right now. I do believe we're going to probably rest at 29, 28, right? There was some consolidation happening here. Right, upsloping, so there could be support around this area before we actually move down to this 26Ks, which is the next area of supports. But yeah, I do believe if we break this area, we could be looking for a move down here. Again, there's really not a lot of support down at this area, right? It's a quick shot down. Here it broke down quickly, bounced back up, but you know, there's really not a lot to hold us here, right? That being said, 26K is pretty good support. Yeah. Yeah, I hope we don't. I mean, we could hit it. You know, you guys said that, you know, we haven't closed gaps in a while. We closed this gap today, right? This gap we had left, we already moved down and closed it. This gap here at 23K is the one I don't want to close. Getting to 26K would very likely have us target close this gap. That's fine. We still have the 20 there to bounce. But really, a drop from Bitcoin from 31K to 23K, that would be a huge drop. That would be consolidation, like capitulation. Yeah, what are we looking at for here? Some real strong pullback, right? I don't want that to happen, dude. I really want Bitcoin to do better right now. Maybe pump a little bit more. Futures are 31,300, right? Right now, the futures are opposite. Look at this. We have some kind of backwardation happening, right? The futures at 31,200. The price of Bitcoin is at 31,300. That means we're going to probably move down so we can be on contango with the futures, meaning that we're lower than the futures. So would that drop to 3,000, 31,100? We're at 31,300, right? So we're slightly higher. We could drop below that 31,000 area. Look at Cello. Sure, cellophane. We've never looked at Cello before, so let's go check it out, dude. Okay, coin, I guess. Oh my goodness, it's pumping. Dude, look at this freaking massive red bar. What is that, man? Is that legit? Let's go to the 4 hour. It happened in a candle. It gapped up and closed down. That's been moving up. I mean, we're not going to have anything on the technicals, obviously, because, you know, we're just going, like, insanely high. But high, higher, positive, high. There's that higher point. Overbought at 82.15. 4 hours, also overbought. Obviously, nothing on the technicals. And the 1 hour, it's also nothing there. All right, overbought at 90, right? So we're highly overbought. We might start getting pulled back here at $2. Had a nice pump today. Had a nice run, dude, right? 89% to the upside. Wow. It's starting to move down, right? 31,200. Again, futures at 31,195. We're above the futures market. So we gotta get below that futures market, right? Unless we're really on backwardation. Meaning the futures price of Bitcoin is lower than current price, which means price probably gonna have to drop slightly to get there again. So that move would get us here at 30,600 probably, right? Futures coming up to target. Yeah, futures higher now than the current price of Bitcoin, so that's good. Futures at 31,300. Great. They recovered. That means Bitcoin could probably recover also more. Look, futures. 31,310. Here we're at 31,337, right? Trying to pump this level again. Bitcoin needs to get above that 20. Let's get it for tonight, guys. Yeah. Let's get it for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching. I know usually after I leave, stuff moves. We'll see how it moves. Still looking bullish on Loopring. All right, let's look at Loopring real quick again before I go. LRC, I guess. Loopring 42. Pull back. We can pull back more still. All right, start flagging around this level. All right, again, target is a 20 on the bearish divergence. Could it pop more? Yeah, we could create some strong bearish divergence still, right? Pop, high, higher, high, low, right, and then break down again. But really, right now, I do believe we might start to consolidate this level. It would be good. It would be healthy for Loopring to consolidate this level. Guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Jake, thanks for being here, man. Andrew, see you, bro. TM Skywalker, thank you for being here. Steve, thank you for being here as well. Andrew, Dynamic Motorsport Experience. Nav, thank you for being here, bro. Sansarismo, thank you for being here, man. I'm not sure if you're still watching, but I know you were watching. But thank you for being here. Who else, man? Well, Boomer was here also. Scary. Benny, dude. Benny was here. I'm not sure if Benny's still here, but Benny was here. Little Ed also was here. And, yo, I think that's it, man. I think I called everyone out. So, if I miss you, I'm sorry about that, but thanks for being here, all. And, thanks for supporting this channel. Make Detroit great again. You were here earlier as well. It's awesome for you guys to be here and joining me tonight again. We'll see what Bitcoin has in store for us tomorrow. I hope you had the content. I hope you found the content to be entertaining and educational. If you do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Crypto again. I'm your host, Martin. It was a pleasure being here on this awesome Monday night. Although the markets are moving down, we're getting some kind of pullback. That's what we were calling for, right? I told you guys, it gets boring. We're going higher every time. Now, let's see if we can manage to do something good out of this and get a magical pump and go higher, right? May we wake up to giant green candles. Yes, may giant green candles rain upon you at nighttime. So wake up flooded with them. Thank you all for being here, guys. That's going to be it. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.